A barren corner of Death Valley National Park, there's a dried-up lake bed called Racetrack Playa. Here, heavy stones, some weighing hundreds of pounds, glide across the cracked earth, leaving long trails behind them. For decades, no one could explain how the rocks moved. There were no signs of human interference, no animals strong enough to shove them, no plausible answers. Theories ranged from magnetic fields to secret underground tremors. But in 2014, using time-lapse photography and GPS trackers, researchers finally witnessed a rare combination: a thin sheet of ice, light morning winds, and just the right amount of sun, causing the stones to creep ever so slowly. Yet many locals argue, not all movements match this icy theory. Some stones seem to have moved without the seasonal conditions necessary, so even with a partial answer, mystery lingers. Was it only ice? Or something deeper we don't yet see? Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, hidden from most maps, lies a river that runs hot. Scalding hot. Known as Shanay Timpishka, or the Boiling River, its waters can reach temperatures of nearly 200 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to cook small animals instantly. The strange part? The river is nowhere near any volcanic activity. No lava tubes, no geothermal hotspots nearby. Local legends spoke of a spirit serpent that heated the waters. Scientists, baffled, could only guess at subterranean hot springs, until geologist Andres Russo studied it firsthand. He found underground faults that allowed deep geothermal heat to bubble up, but the size, scale, and isolation of the river still leaves researchers puzzled. No satellite imagery predicted it. No major surveys detected it. It simply exists, boiling its way through the jungle. Antarctica, a land of endless white, hides a gruesome secret. In the McMurdo dry valleys, from the mouth of the Taylor Glacier, pours a chilling sight. Bright red water staining the ice, like blood on snow. When explorers first discovered it in 1911, they thought red algae caused the color. But no. The truth is stranger. Scientists discovered the falls are rich in iron, and when this iron-rich brine contacts air, it oxidizes, like rust, turning the water blood red. Stranger still, trapped under the glacier lies a secret ecosystem of microbes, surviving without sunlight, feeding on sulfur and iron. A hidden world, frozen for millennia, still alive, beneath an alien landscape. In the forests of western New York, water and fire dance an impossible waltz. Eternal Flame Falls looks like a typical picturesque waterfall. Except, tucked beneath it, a small flame flickers eternally behind the falling water. Scientists found that the flame is fueled by natural gas seeping through cracks in the shale rock. But here's the mystery. The gas shouldn't exist in large enough quantities here. The rocks aren't hot enough. The geological conditions don't align. So how does this tiny fire burn endlessly in the damp? Geologists admit, we don't fully know yet. Every sample brings new questions. Across hundreds of miles of Namibia's grasslands, a strange pattern repeats itself. Barren, circular patches, each surrounded by healthy vegetation. From the sky, it looks almost deliberate. Like the polka dots of giants. Locals believe they are the footprints of gods or the breath of dragons. Scientists suggested competing theories: termites engineering the soil, or self-organizing plants battling for scarce resources. In 2017, a joint study proposed that both termites and vegetation patterns may be at play. Yet, even with data, no model fully recreates the fairy circle's exact consistency, size, or timeless endurance. Some fairy circles have existed for decades, others fade away in years. Still today, the savanna whispers riddles into the desert wind. In the secluded Hessdalen Valley of Norway, lights dance across the sky without warning. Floating orbs, bright flashes, and shimmering curtains appear and vanish. Locals have witnessed them for decades, sometimes hovering low over the ground, sometimes streaking at incredible speeds. Military, universities, and private researchers have all tried to capture the phenomenon. Some theories point to ionized dust reacting with environmental factors. Others suggest something even stranger: piezoelectric charges from crushed rocks releasing plasma. Yet, No unified theory fully accounts for the light's color changes, shapes, or behavior. As night falls in Hessdalen, mystery takes flight once again.